Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make fermented bamboo shoots. So these are the bamboo shoots that I just bought from the market. You know, it's very hot here today in Guwahati, so I went to the market around 3:30 and I couldn't find much. I got about 18 to 19 pieces of bamboo shoots, which I paid 80 rupees only. So I have already washed these bamboo shoots. Now I will be cutting it into small pieces, and after that,
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos.
after that I'll show you how to ferment these bamboo shoots. So let's start. Now let's cut the bamboo shoot into small pieces. So this is the bamboo shoot that I just cut. You can cut it into any shape, any size. I'll be washing this one more time, and after that let's put it in the container. So this is the bamboo shoot. I have just washed it again. Now I will put in the container. So I'm using a plastic container because all throughout these years I have always been using a plastic container and it doesn't get spoiled. So I am going to put inside this container. I have already washed the container. So this is the size of the bamboo shoot that I cut. You know, this is quite big, but you know, when I cook, I'll just straight it with hand like this, and then, or maybe you can just cut it. So now let's put it in the container. Fermented bamboo shoot is everyone's favorite. So this year I haven't made any bamboo shoot. I mean fermented bamboo shoot. I just bought once from the market and I ate, but that was very less, so I did not ferment it. During weekdays I don't get much time to go out, so if not on weekends. So I bought this bamboo shoot. I think for this I need to use 2 containers. It's quite a lot, huh? I thought it will be okay for this. Oh, it fell down. So, but you see, I'll just show you, like this is how I have filled it. But you know, once I put water inside here, the bamboo shoot will get sing again. So I'll just put more bamboo shoots in here again, and the other one I don't need to use this big container. It might look very so this is done. You know, if I check after a few days, though it looks like it's overflowing, but if I check after 2 days, it will get sing, and then the bamboo shoot will, the real bamboo shoot will be only up to this much. Now I'll be adding some water. I'll be adding clean water because you know, even the juice I make use of it. Once it gets fermented, the juice becomes a little sour, so that juice you can make use of it as well. Like I use it for making machihan or maybe any curry that is which I need to add some sour things like lemon juice, and also instead of lemon juice I use bamboo shoot juice. It smells so good. So now let's add the water. Let's add water now. I'll add lots of water. I'll make sure that I fill in till it is all the, till all the bamboo shoots are covered. So I'll just show you what is the amount of water that I add here. So still long way to go. We're almost done. No, still little more to go. Here. So this is the amount of water that this is the next one. So this is also full. I add it. So like oh, what's that? So when you add water, make sure that you are filling it till all the bamboo shoots are being covered. Let's cover it. This is done, and the other one, this is also done. Once it gets fermented, it will be a little difficult to open, so I'm just keeping it a little loose so that the air can pass from this container. I mean from this lid. So same as this container. And this is the bamboo shoot that we just filled in the container. This is 5 liters container, and this is 2 liters container. Today is day 1, and I'm keeping it in a room temperature, and as you can see, the color of the water has also changed, which means it has started to ferment. Now I will open this and see. I did not cover properly because I want the air to pass from this. See, this is it. It has started to ferment, and it has started to sing a little bit also. So this is how I make fermented bamboo shoot. And yeah, sometimes if the bamboo shoot quality is not good, then the bamboo shoot might become black in color. But do not throw away those bamboo shoots, because you know, like if you throw away those black bamboo shoots, then even the down part also, it will become black day by day. So instead of throwing that away, just like keep the black bamboo shoots on top as the protection for the lower part of the bamboo shoot, so that it don't become dark. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. You have a great day ahead, and do keep watching Nagaland Foodie, and please do not forget to subscribe and keep watching.